everyone, welcome back to day 4 of our 30-day vocabulary series. I hope you have watched my previous videos because guys, this challenge is not about just watching videos. This is the practical way how you can use these words and making them part of your daily vocabulary. So today is day 4 and today's word of the day is eventually. Yes, repeat after me. Eventually. Correct. We use eventually as an adverb. Now let's understand the meaning. Eventually means something that happens after a long time or after many efforts. In हिंदी eventually का मतलब होता है आखिरकार या अंत में. जैसे हम बोलते हैं आखिरकार ये चीज़ हो ही गई, आखिरकार मैंने ये कर ही लिया. So for आखिरकार we can use this word eventually. Now let's look at some synonyms. Finally, ultimately, in the end, sooner or later. Now let's understand this word more with some examples. He worked very hard and eventually achieved his goal. At first, speaking English felt difficult, but eventually it became easier. If we keep practicing, we will eventually speak English fluently. So guys, now it's your turn. Write this word in your diary and use as much as possible in your conversation. Try to frame sentences because when you repeat word again and again, it will automatically goes into your muscles memory. So try to use this word in your daily conversation as much as possible. This is the practical way to learn any new words. So till then, bye-bye. See you. I'll see you in my next video with another powerful word in our 30-day vocabulary series. Bye-bye.